Hey, Alex Berman here. Time for Q&A. You got the Q, I got the A. As many A's as you want. Today's Q is how can I use LinkedIn in order to increase sales in my B2B SaaS venture? Pretty good Q. I pulled this question off of Quora. It seemed like a good one to answer. So basically now I'll show you how I use LinkedIn. So one thing that I found does not work on LinkedIn is the messaging feature. Messaging feature does not work for finding new leads. Here's a random woman that reached out to me today to ask me if she could join my professional network. Other people reach out and they're like, "How's your business going? Blah blah blah. SEO company. This crap does not work. Don't do this." What I have found to work when it comes to LinkedIn is when you send your normal cold email, right? Your normal sales funnel should be like cold email, and then either call or whatever. Send the cold email to schedule, that first sales call. After you send the cold email, you go over to LinkedIn and you add them on LinkedIn, or you just view their profile. Reach out to this girl, by the way. She seems like maybe she's good at SEO. I don't know. She's definitely not good at cold emailing. Um, so yeah, I would just view their profile, and then sometimes they'll have a link to like a Twitter or something. And if they have a Twitter, or what I found works really well, is you go over to their Twitter account and you favorite two or three things. So that's basically what I use LinkedIn for, really, is just for research and then also for finding links to their other stuff. Sometimes their emails here, um, but LinkedIn messaging is just not a win for me. Never got it to work. I did close a deal over LinkedIn over the Thanksgiving break, but he reached out and it was because I'd sent him an email. So I sent him an email, then he reached out over LinkedIn, and that's the only way that I've seen it work.